He's right behind me, Emily. I knew it. Just trying to be still. Felt like it's working. Street and that's the address. I heard a young woman was murdered. Who told you that? You just did.
Good reporters don't have friends, only sources. Carl was allegedly having an affair with a young woman. I want to know everything that we can about her. We've got 8 hours. We've got 56 cameras. There are 3 blind spots in the entire system, and Sonia Baker went down in one of them. Come on, Carol, leave it alone.
Close your eyes. Check out her cell phone.
Did we just break Baylor?
Nope, that's what you go to find reporting. The casings of the crime scene were untraceable. That is the mark of the trouble. Who might have wanted Sonia dead?
The police history they are pursuing involves a certain company that Congressman Collins is investigating.
She had access to everything we were doing, and I believe they killed her for it.
This is a full-blown conspiracy. You don't take yourself now.
You cannot connect anything back to me. Do you have any idea what you're spending here? Billions of dollars. That's wrath of God. This is as big and as connected as they get. In 1966, Britain was terrorized by a virus that lost. Radio Rock, the greatest station in the world. Irish Radio. From Richard Classic, creators Notting Hill, Funeral Weddings and Funerals, and Love Actually. Welcome to our world. We're going to shut them down. New York wrong. On second thoughts, it might just be for kids. I think you put on an adult. It doesn't work that way. I like having a girlfriend. They don't have one, but I like it better. One night stands are tough, and I'm not great at sex, so at the end of everything, I gotta go, hey, only I do better than that. Friends are so much better. You finish up, you're just like, well, you know. That's how I do. Hey, George Simmons, you're destroyed, man. You're the guy who was on after me? It's very hard to be romantic with women when you live on a pull-out couch. Once those two little legs come down, you know it's all right. You look good. Maybe you can write me some jokes. I've all this guy's mood since the moment I can remember. This is amazing, guys.
Do you have any friends that are like you but just way funnier? You can say yes.
I'm gonna tell you something. I don't want you to get all weird. I'm dying. It's knows when you did anybody ever tell you you have a very scary accent? You are a very funny man. I enjoy your movies. And I enjoy all your movies. Which movies? The ones where you try to kill me. Serial killers have that. Hey, you want to talk to me while I try to fall asleep? Right, that's not your real name. You're hiding some Judaism. I don't think I can hide that. My face is circumcised. I'm not sick anymore. Yeah. Having 1 foot in the door, I'm feeling like I'm in the moment for the first time in my life. From a beautiful house and lovely husband, we spend time on hand.
Lloyd, nothing's going on around here.
I appreciate it.
People go to side parlors, exploring. That doesn't mean I was getting over. You could have gone for something that most people don't get to see.
Two of you from Australia, there's still things there.
Don't hurt him!
Get in the ball, George! Fall off! Fall off! I don't know. I'm fine. I'm coming.
One candle makes his head that sort of situation.
You don't pass through fire to get to heaven.
Mm-hmm.